In celebration of their 50th anniversary, Merit Kitchens invited me to curate a collection of 8 exclusive paint colors for your kitchen cabinets. All of these 8 colors are colors that you will love because they're timeless. They're those no-color colors where you can't quite put your finger on it, and they were inspired by Canada's Pacific West Coast. The first one is called Morning Fog. I love this color. It's kind of a browned out gray. It looks beautiful with dark slate or soapstone or composite countertops. It works well with every wood color, and I especially love it because it gives you a hint of color, but it's still a neutral. The next color is Pacific Slate. Is it green? Is it blue? You tell me. It's a little bit of both because it's inspired by those dusky West Coast ocean pools, and it looks fantastic with light and mid-tone woods like this. You know, the big trend today in kitchens is to mix wood and painted cabinets in the same room. So look at that mix and look how good it looks with natural or aged brass. Beautiful mix. If you like a light and airy kitchen, consider True White. And look how good it looks with this ceramic tile that has a little bit of aqua green in it. That would make a beautiful pale kitchen. And look how great it looks with natural marble counters. I call this next color French Gray because it reminds me of Paris. It's that color that you see in the stonework in Paris, and it's used inside a lot by French designers. And look how well it goes with a marble that has beautiful dusky colors in it. This is one of those colors where you can say, I used green, but no one will ever guess because it feels like a gray green. I don't like bright blue, but I love blue haze because you can have a blue kitchen that is still a neutral and you won't get tired of it. And look how great it looks with really bleached wood. Isn't that sharp? And try mixing either antique brass hardware, or you can also do white metal, which, believe me, I think is coming back in a big way. Old stone looks exactly like the name says, old stone. If you're doing a country kitchen, this is especially great because it works with all wood tones. Look how well it goes with natural butcher block. Isn't that beautiful? No, that's a combo I could really get behind. Country Lane Green is for those of us who don't love green, but do want a dark color with a hint of green. I love this color. I would love it in a country kitchen or in a city kitchen. I love it with this gray tile. I think that's a fabulous combination. And I also love it with natural marble and with dark granite. Look how good that looks. That's a fabulous combo. Is it possible to have an even better black than all the blacks that are out there? Yes, it is. This is new black. This is rich because it has browny bronze undertones. So it's black, but it's warm and never stark and works with all your counter colors and all your wood colors. Let me show it to you with natural butcher block. Beautiful. And let me show it to you with a very light wood. Beautiful. New black. Let's take a minute to talk about your paint finishes. Merit Kitchens offers these 2 styles of V-groove style doors. One has a natural grain, which shows even after you paint it and feels very country. And the other has a smooth finish, which is lacquered and is a little bit sleeker for a city look. Both are great in the city and the country. So I hope you'll check out these 8 fabulous exclusive paint colors at Merit Kitchens. I love them all. I think you will too. And congratulations, Merit, on 50 years in business. Now that's a milestone. Don't forget to check out Merit Kitchen's special initiative, Pantry Full of Food, supporting food banks across Canada and the US.